Hello everybody, thank you for watching this video. Today we're gonna keep working with $50 pressure washer. See if we can see if we be able um, to make it run. We picked up this pressure washer for $50, so hopefully it runs. The engine, it's not seized, so that's a good thing. And I already tried the ignition coil. It's good, it has spark, which is a good thing. So, and we looked at the fuel. It's kind of a little dirty inside the tank. I don't know if you grab a flashlight. Alright. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of a little dirty, the inside the tank. So we'll see. Someone trying to start these, but as I was looking, it doesn't have enough oil to begin with. Check the oil, and it's not enough oil right there. So we're gonna add some oil. The reason the guy said that it won't start, probably I was thinking the reason why it didn't start because this little sensor is the oil pressure, like an oil sensor. If it's low on oil, this will never start because of this sensor. So just that's a quick tip for you out there, that if your engine won't start or anything that comes with this little sensor, and it should look like this. And some of them, it comes with a little red light in here. That'll flash it whenever it's not enough oil, and and then the guy said that it won't start. So, and I was checking in here, the pump seems like it's got oil, and it's a 3700 psi Pro Series Simpson. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, we're gonna work on this today, just to see if we'll be able to start or not. I'm kind of familiar with this engine, even though this is a let's see, 200. Yeah, it's a 200 series engine. It's got the on and off oil, fuel shut off in here. So see how fast your RPM goes. Oops, right there. We don't want all the way up, we don't want all the way down. So I don't have an RPM measure, and you choke, of course, right there. We'll see. And I'm just gonna add some oil, make sure that it's enough oil in there just to pass this switch right here, the sensor, and we'll see if it starts. And I might throw some seafoam in it, so just to start cleaning the carburetor. Usually seafoams, it's been working great for me, because on these tanks they collect a lot of water, especially with a lot of humidity. So we're gonna try to do this and see. Stick with me for a little bit and we might be able to start this engine. I happen to have the 10W40 oil. We'll see if this works. Should be using a 10 weight 30, but we'll see. Yeah, it needs a lot of oil. That kind of. I don't know if you can see in here. And I mean, adding a lot of oil on it. Okay, I'm gonna clean it. This camera is kind of hard to focus. Okay, there you go. It's dry. And I'll just go, not even screw it in. Right there. That's how much oil this thing has right now. And when I have put, I would say about 5 to 6 ounces or a little bit more. So this engine didn't have any oil, so that's why probably it didn't start. Okay, once again, let's try. Let it run. Oh, there you go. Right there. Yeah. Basically, it didn't have any oil almost. Dried out, so that's why it probably didn't start. So we'll see. Okay, I'm just gonna add some seafoam, and it's good for gas and diesel. Clean injector, clean carb, jet, stabilizer, fuel, control moisture and fuel, quiet noise, and all that kind of stuff in here. So that's why if your engine's running rough, I recommend you guys to use some of these. Usually I use about a quarter of this can, which is 4 ounces, 4 to 6 or 8 ounces, no, 4 to 6 ounces per 5 gallon of fuel, gasoline, and usually that's the trick for me if it's running rough. So yeah, and it says it's a 2 cycle and 4 cycle. So for me, this is a good stuff. If you guys know anything that works better than this, that you guys have experiment, let me know down below in the comment section. I will give it a try. Alright, will it work? Will it run? Oh, look at that. Almost. Woo. Okay, let's see if we can bypass this sensor. maybe a sensor went bad or something. Okay, this is the sensor. Hold on. Okay, this is the sensor. We'll see if we can bypass this sensor. Just disconnect this one, the yellow one, and see if that'll make the trick. There you go. It's exciting. Engine works. That's good. The reason why I take off the air filter, if machine is sitting for a long time, sometimes there is a lot of debris in here, so that won't let any fuel or anything goes. So that's why I take it off, so it can breathe. The machine breathes better than without this, because it's full of fuel or oil, whatever that is. And I disconnect the sensor that I was saying. I won't recommend you guys to do this, because if you don't know that it didn't have any oil and you start it, the engine will blow on you immediately. So I recommend you not to do this unless you know what you're doing with this sensor, unless you guys know that it can be replaced. And I'll probably update this drain plug so I can drain the oil on this. So now the question is the water pump works? And the person give us this hose that supposedly goes in there. So we'll see if this will fit, and then we'll give it a try. If the water pump works, we'll do that next. And I ordered some tube because yeah, I ordered some of these tips right here. They're around, I think like $8, $15 on Amazon. And we'll see. Just gonna put it here. It seems like it works, so. My bad. I didn't flip the on switch. Really? Here we go. looks like it's a solid engine, sounds like, but unfortunately we don't have no pressure on the power, the fuel, I mean the water pump. So what I'm thinking is to take this apart and see what's the issue with it, and we might research a little, see what's the problem with this thing, and go ahead and buy parts for this and we'll fix it probably. But I was bummed out a little bit about the water pump that didn't have pressure. So it's just one thing that I didn't want to know if they don't have pressure. But what do you expect for $50, right? It's a I looked up online, they're around $700 power washer. $50, it's too good to be true. But I'm glad the engine, it's in good shape, it's working. So I'm just gonna cut it for today, and probably this video will be a 2 video separate, and so we can fix the pump, show you guys how to do that. But at least we know that engine works perfect. That's the good news now, and we'll see if we can fix that pump. If it's completely shattered, and see how much a new one will cost, and I'll post it. Alright friends, I think that's it for today. We're gonna fix that pump, and we'll see. Make sure you guys subscribe, and let me know down below in the comment if you guys subscribe, so and you guys don't miss any other content that'll coming soon. And also, and I'll do the second video on the pump only, because we know that works the engine. So don't forget to like this video, share if it's educational for you guys. Don't forget to share this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Until next time.